Hello everyone, I Vatsal welcome you all to my channel, and today I am going to show you how to fix the issue of can't connect to this network in Windows 10. So if you are trying to connect to a Wi-Fi network and if you are receiving this message can't connect to this network, then there are three methods that you can try out to fix this issue. So the first method is, I will first close this by clicking on close button, and now what you have to do is just click on the network in which you are getting this message, right click over it and just click on this option forget. After this, just again click on the Wi-Fi network and click on the connect button. Now just enter the Wi-Fi password. Make sure that it is correct. After this, just click on the next button. So you can see that the issue is now fixed and the network is now connected. So this was method number 1. If method number 1 didn't work, then just try out method number 2. Click on the network icon in the taskbar and then just click on this network and internet settings. After this, just click on this Wi-Fi in the left hand side. Go down and then just click on this link, change adapter options. Now just click on this Wi-Fi adapter. So it will be like Intel dual band wireless. So it will have wireless written in its name. So just click on this Wi-Fi adapter, right click over it and just click on this diagnose option. So it will automatically detect the problem and fix it also. So it says that the troubleshooting couldn't identify the problem as my system is now connected to the internet and there is no problem. But if in your system it shows some instructions to follow, then just follow the instruction and complete the wizard. So I will click on the close button. So this was method number 2. So if method number 2 didn't work, then just try out method number 3. Go to the search bar and type device manager. Yeah, just click on the search result device manager. Click on yes. And now just expand this network adapters. Just select the wireless driver. In my case, it is Intel dual band wireless AC3168. The name may be different in your system, but it will have this wireless written in its name. So just select it, right click over it and click on the option update driver. Click on this option browse my computer for drivers. Then just click on this let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. Just select this first driver, that is the Intel one, and after this just click on the next button. So it says that the Windows has successfully updated your drivers. Just click on the close button. Now after this, just check whether your issue is resolved or not. So these were the 3 methods that you can try out to fix the issue of can't connect to this network in Windows 10. So that's it from my side. If you like my video, you can click on the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.